In our previous video, we demonstrated how to use rugged smartphones to record the in-field hours for each farm worker. This is the starting point for all hourly workers' compensation. In addition to straight hours, there may be times when the farmer wants to evaluate labor productivity by measuring piece rate performance. The Farm Labor Solution collects both the hours and pieces and shows compensation for each. It then compares the two and reports bonuses where appropriate. Our management reports, as well as the workers' hours and earnings statement, show the DOL required detail for each work period. As you know, there are a variety of ways to count pieces. 1, you can count each piece one at a time. 2, you can count all the workers' pieces during the work period and enter the total for each worker at the end of that period. And finally, for team activities, you can count the team's effort and then divide the compensation results and assign them equally to each worker on the team. The Farm Labor Solution can do all of these. The method and the specific piece rate are determined by the farm manager when the activity and crop for each period are specified. In this first example, I'll show you how to record the piece count every time a piece or unit is delivered. This example is for tomatoes, and the worker gets one count every time he delivers a 5/8 bushel. The work period setup was described in the previous video. When the worker delivers his ID card, scan and enter 1 unit. Quick and easy. The next example is for pruning peach trees. The pruning piece rate is determined by the age of the tree. In this example, the worker pruned 57 5 to 6-year-old trees during the work period. To record, the timekeeper touches the num button, enters 57, reads the worker's ID badge, and enters the count. Again, very easy. The final example is for a team effort such as harvesting watermelons. The team consists of 7 members and 1 unit is filling a 13,000-pound trailer. The procedure for recording team piece rate would be the same as mentioned for either single units or multiple units. The only difference would be that you would use the control card instead of the individual worker's ID card. The compensation for all 4 watermelon trailers will then be divided equally between the 17 workers. Now let's see how this looks on a report for an individual worker who performed all the tasks we just discussed. Now let's look at Pedro Ballesterio. He started the day picking tomatoes in field C. This was a short work period and he only picked 5 units. For this period, his productivity did not earn a bonus. Therefore, he earned $8.50 based solely on hours worked. During his next period, same day, he was pruning 5 to 6-year-old trees in field I. At the end of the work period, he had pruned 12 trees, but again, that was not enough to earn a bonus. As a result, he earned $20.80 based just on the hours worked. However, you will also notice that 30 minutes were removed from this hours because he had an unpaid lunch break. Finally, Pedro and the team of 7 cut and loaded watermelons in field J. During this work period of just over 3 hours, the team filled 4 13,000-pound trailers. The team earned $80 for each trailer, and the compensation was divided equally between all 7 members. Pedro's share was $45.71. During this period, he exceeded his hourly earnings of $31.30. As a result, Pedro's compensation for this work period was $45.71. This may be an unrealistic work scenario, but it does show how our Farm Labor Solution handles multiple work periods involving multiple activities and crops on the same day. This is done easily and accurately. For a more in-depth discussion, please check out our Farm Labor Solution website and our earlier videos. You're also welcome to call me in the office at 864-335-8533. Thank you. Bye.